Have you ever stopped to ponder the significance of a good pedicure? Why, one might ask, should we bother about the care of our feet? Well, the answer is simple, yet profound. A pedicure not only enhances the beauty of our feet, but also promotes overall health and well-being. The process of pedicure is a fascinating journey of transformation. It takes a set of weary, ignored feet and turns them into a pair of pampered, healthy, and beautiful appendages. So, how does it work? Let's demystify the process step by step. We start with a soothing foot bath, preparing the feet by soaking them in warm water, infused with salts and essential oils. This not only cleanses the feet, but also softens the skin and relaxes the muscles. Following this, we move on to exfoliation. This is the process of removing the dead skin cells that have accumulated on the surface of your feet. Using a specially designed foot scrub, the feet are gently massaged, revealing a layer of fresh, healthy skin beneath. The next step is nail care. This involves trimming the nails, shaping them to perfection, and tending to the cuticles. A cuticle pusher is used to gently push back the cuticles, and a nipper is used to remove any excess skin. Once the nails are neat and tidy, the feet are then massaged with a nourishing foot cream. This not only hydrates the skin, but also stimulates blood circulation, offering a sense of deep relaxation and rejuvenation. Finally, the pedicure is completed with the application of nail polish. The color chosen reflects the individual's personal style, adding an element of fun and creativity to the process. And there you have it, a simple yet satisfying process that transforms your feet from drab to fab while promoting overall health and well-being. To recap, a pedicure is not just about beautifying your feet. It is a holistic process that promotes health, relaxation, and personal expression. We start with a soothing foot bath, move on to exfoliation and nail care, and conclude with a relaxing foot massage and the application of nail polish. In essence, a pedicure is a form of self-love, a way to pamper yourself and take care of your well-being. It is a small indulgence that yields big results, boosting your confidence and adding a spring to your step. So the next time you're thinking about indulging in a little personal care, remember the humble pedicure and the wonders it can do for you.